Most cyber attacks don't start with malware. They start with a conversation. No alerts, no warnings, no indication anything is wrong. Just a phone call. At ManyTek, everything was running normally. A new training platform had just launched. Students were enrolling, payments were flowing, and the billing administrator was managing it all. From an SOC perspective, nothing was out of place. No alerts, no anomalies. Everything looked clean. Monday afternoon, a call comes in. The caller introduces himself as part of the payment processing support team. He references the new integration, mentions reconciliation timing issues. Everything he says aligns perfectly with current operations. No urgency, no pressure, just a professional conversation, and that's what makes it dangerous. The attacker doesn't ask for passwords, doesn't request access. Instead, he builds trust. He speaks the language of the business, uses the right terminology, mentions systems already in use. From the employee's perspective, this is not a stranger. This is support. This is normal. Before ending the call, the attacker mentions one thing. He will send a follow-up email, a document to help validate payment configurations. No links, no attachments yet, just context. But the setup is complete. The employee is now expecting that email. And more importantly, trusting it. Inside the Security Operations Center, nothing happens. No alerts are triggered. No suspicious activity is detected. No login anomalies. No malware indicators. Because at this stage, there is nothing technical to detect. The attack exists only in conversation. And conversation is invisible to most security tools. This is where most defenses fail. Not because the technology is weak, but because the attack doesn't target technology first. It targets people. Trust becomes the entry point. And by the time the first alert appears, the attacker is already inside. The next day, the email arrives, and inside it is the file that opens the door. In the next episode, we break down how a simple Excel document led to full compromise. The most dangerous cyber attacks don't break systems. They convince people, and they do it quietly. Subscribe to ManyTek Cybersecurity. Follow the investigation, and learn how real SOC teams detect what others miss.